We are tackling a critical issue in modern enterprises: optimizing business intelligence, BI, investments. Many organizations struggle with fragmented BI stacks, inconsistent metric definitions, and escalating costs, leading to a systemic trust gap where users can't effectively find, understand, or govern data. In fact, research shows BI teams frequently spend 80% of their time preparing data and only 20% on analysis. We're going to explore how Alex, our unified intelligence layer, shifts your organization from instinct-based to evidence-centric decision-making. The biggest obstacle to optimization is not knowing where to start, which is often because each system defines user IDs differently. Let me demonstrate how Alex establishes an enterprise context by viewing the usage pattern of a user interacting with multiple platforms in a single integrated view. Here, you can see how Alex captures and standardizes usage telemetry across technologies like MicroStrategy, Snowflake, Power BI, and Databricks. When we look at a single enterprise user, like Sarah, Alex connects her multiple technical accounts, her Active Directory user, Snowflake service account, and MicroStrategy login into one unified enterprise view. Next, we trace her activity to understand what she actually touches. Alex provides an end-to-end lineage view that connects Sarah, the user, to the report, the metric, the underlying table, and the query. We can trace a Power BI report all the way back to the original source tables in Snowflake. This unified knowledge graph is the foundation, because before deciding what to keep or retire, you need to know who is using what and what those assets depend on. Once we have this unified view, the next question is, how do we identify where duplication and inconsistency are creating unnecessary cost and risk? It's a common issue for BI managers, different teams calculating the same metric differently. Alex solves this with AI-powered duplicate detection. For example, we might find a sales performance report in MicroStrategy and two reports with the name Sales Performance and Sales Performance and Customer Metrics report in Power BI. The AI flags these duplicate metrics and reports, providing similarity and confidence scores across different technologies. This is crucial because it allows teams to safely separate genuine redundancy from reports that still have a valid purpose. By tracing their lineage, we can see if they use the same logic but pull from different tables, or if they share a name but use conflicting logic. With this in-depth knowledge, we can establish an optimization strategy and prioritize the items to decommission. Alex overlays usage data on the data inventory to help identify the opportunities for rationalizing the BI environment. Using Usage Analytics dashboard that's made available through the Enterprise Reporting Analytics, where the usage trends are captured across all the technologies, data domains, asset types, and across the entire user base. Before notifying the report owner, a quick impact analysis can be performed to ensure no downstream dependencies exist. This immediately helps prioritize decommissioning efforts. Finally, for insights at scale, you don't need to configure complex dashboards. Users can use the Alex AI assistant well within your workflow, and by simply interacting with the platform using natural language. To instantly uncover optimization targets, a user can simply ask the chatbot a question, such as, find Snowflake tables with no impact, and these are your data swamp. Find all the MicroStrategy reports that are duplicated by a Power BI report, and these are your potential candidates for prioritization. Find the 10 Power BI metrics that have a duplicate in MicroStrategy, and these are your candidates for cross-system consolidation. This makes decision-making quick, easy, and evidence-based.